Hey my loves, it's your girl Globe Trekker and we're back with another video. Now you know I'm all about that glow up, both inside and out. And part of feeling amazing is having those essential products that just make life easier, whether you're at home or jet-setting off on an adventure. Looking for the perfect combination of skincare, style, and convenience? Today, I'm reviewing 3 must-have products that are perfect for your daily routine and on-the-go lifestyle. Whether you're at home or traveling, these Amazon picks will make your life easier and more stylish. Let's dive in. Okay, let's talk skincare, babes. We all dream of having that flawless, radiant complexion, right? Like, who wouldn't want to wake up every morning looking like a glowing goddess? Well, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, the Minimalist Anti-Pigmentation Kit. This little beauty is a game changer, and trust me, it's about to become your new BFF. This kit is not just for the ladies, it's for everyone. Guys, you know I believe in inclusivity, and everyone deserves to have amazing skin. This kit is designed to tackle those pesky pigmentation issues that can leave your complexion looking uneven and dull. We're talking about dark spots, sunspots, and those little blemishes that just won't quit. This kit is like a magic eraser for those imperfections, revealing brighter, more even-toned skin. So, what's the magic formula? This kit comes with 3 powerful products that work in perfect harmony. First up, we have the face wash. Now you know I'm obsessed with starting my day with a clean slate, and this face wash does just that. It gently removes all the impurities and dirt without stripping away your skin's natural oils. Plus, it's formulated with ingredients that help brighten and even out your skin tone. Next, we have the serum, and let me tell you, this is the powerhouse of the kit. It's packed with active ingredients that target those pigmented areas and work their magic to fade them away. This serum is like a concentrated dose of radiance, and it absorbs beautifully into the skin, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and oh so glowy. And last but not least, we have the sunscreen. Now you all know I'm a firm believer in protecting your skin from the sun, and this sunscreen is a must-have. It has a broad-spectrum SPF that shields your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays, preventing further pigmentation and keeping your complexion looking youthful and radiant. Plus, it's lightweight and non-greasy, so it won't clog your pores or leave you feeling sticky. One of the things I love about this kit is that it's so travel-friendly. The packaging is super sleek and compact, so you can easily slip it into your purse or travel bag without any hassle. And trust me, when you're on the go, the last thing you want is to be lugging around a ton of bulky skincare products. Use this routine daily to achieve glowing, even-toned skin effortlessly. Alright, my makeup mavens, let's talk about a little something that's as practical as it is chic. I'm talking about the spatless magnifying vintage foldable pocket mirror. You know how much I love vintage vibes, and this mirror is giving me all the retro glam feels. Imagine this. You're out and about, maybe enjoying a delicious brunch with your besties, and you need to do a quick touch-up. You reach into your purse, and bam! You pull out this gorgeous vintage-inspired mirror that instantly elevates your style game. It's like having a little piece of history right in the palm of your hand. But don't be fooled by its vintage charm. This mirror is also a total lifesaver when it comes to practicality. It's compact and foldable, so it can easily fit into any purse or clutch, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Whether you need to check your lipstick, fix a stray eyebrow hair, or apply your eyeliner with precision, this mirror has got you covered. And the best part, it has 2 sides. One side is a regular mirror, perfect for those quick glances, and the other side is a magnifying mirror that lets you zoom in on every detail. This is a game changer for those days when you need to apply your makeup with extra precision, like when you're doing a winged eyeliner or applying false lashes. Now, let's talk about the design because, let's be real, we love a product that looks as good as it performs. The spatless magnifying vintage foldable pocket mirror has this timeless elegance that never goes out of style. It's available in a range of finishes, from classic gold to sleek silver, so you can find one that perfectly complements your personal style. It's a timeless accessory that combines functionality with vintage charm. Chapter 3. Street 27 Registered Trademark Refillable Perfume Atomizer. Travel in style with your signature scent. Alright, fragrance fanatics, this one's for you. Have you ever been packing for a trip and dreaded having to choose between your favorite perfumes? Like, who has the space to carry those bulky bottles, right? Well, say goodbye to fragrance FOMO and hello to your new travel buddy. the Street 27 registered trademark refillable perfume atomizer. This little beauty is about to revolutionize the way you travel with your scents. It's sleek, it's chic, and it's the ultimate solution for keeping your favorite fragrances handy wherever you go. No more sacrificing your signature scent just because you're on the move. Let's talk about the design because this atomizer is seriously stunning. It has this sleek matte black finish that screams luxury. It's like the little black dress of perfume atomizers, timeless, elegant, and always in style. Plus, it's super compact and lightweight, making it perfect for slipping into your purse, backpack, or even your pocket. But the real magic of this atomizer lies in its versatility. It comes with multiple refill pump types, so you can use it with almost any perfume bottle. No more struggling with those tiny nozzles or trying to transfer perfume into awkward containers. Simply choose the right pump for your perfume, attach it to the atomizer, and you're good to go. And speaking of going, this atomizer is a lifesaver for those moments when you need a quick fragrance refresh. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town, freshening up after a long flight, or just want to touch up your scent throughout the day, this atomizer makes it so easy. Just a few quick spritzes, and you're enveloped in your favorite fragrance, feeling confident and ready to conquer the world. Perfect for quick spritzes on busy days or when you're on the move. And there you have it, babes. My top 3 must-have beauty and travel essentials that will upgrade your routine and make life on the go a whole lot easier and more stylish. These 3 products, Minimalist Anti-Pigmentation Kit, Spatless Magnifying Vintage Foldable Pocket Mirror, and Street 27 registered trademark refillable perfume atomizer, are game changers for anyone looking to upgrade their beauty and travel routines. Check the description for links to these amazing finds and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this.